What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog.
Did you fall?
We're racing to the finish line here on this patio. We're gonna be finishing it up. We got a sick design, so make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned. All right, so we've got our patio over here pretty much figured out. We've got some cuts and some fine tuning on that, but we've now transitioned onto, I guess, the main section of patio here. And what we wanted to do, because we started the layout over there, we wanted all of that to be symmetrical. We weren't as concerned here because it's irregular anyway. So we just picked a line, ran a string line right across. Now all of our accent lines are carrying straight through, and it looks like it's just cutting underneath of this walkway that's breaking it up. So we're moving along here pretty good. Should have it done by the end of the day. What do you think?
I think that's right, Patio Daddy.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return to the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never like those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back row. All I really take is a little taste. I like girl blue eyes with a little bass.
So, Tom and Ant are working on our perimeter cuts, and now me and Jose are just going through and we're leveling out these Mika pavers. Jose and I are working on leveling out these Mika pavers. The Everest here and the blue Grande is 60 millimeters thick. The Mika is 70 millimeters thick, about 3/8 of an inch. But we're able to just knock them down instead of rescreeding a bed and bringing our setting bed lower. We can just knock these down with the dead blow. A little extra work, but we always like to make things a little complicated for us. But this color combo, A1. That should be good. That's it? Yep. We're just starting the corner of our retaining wall here. This is gonna wrap around the corner of the deck. Our wall grade is a little bit below our paver grade here, so we wanna get this in first so we can finish that setting bed, and then we can tie up all the pavers around here. We'll move forward with this retaining wall a little bit later. Yeah, just give me a scoop. I want to bring it up a tiny bit more. A little bit. That's good. Once we get to the rest of our wall, we'll be screeding out our setting bed for this, but we're just doing a little bit of it right now. So I'm bringing it up a tiny bit high, and then I can always bang it down and make sure that our setting bed, this 3/8 stone, is properly compacted and we're not gonna have any settling with this base course. It'll be a lot easier to set the rest of our wall once we have our base set up and we screed that setting bed, but this works for now. We've got enough where we can finish this corner and then we can finish our pavers, which is our main goal for today. Whoa. Whoa. Always remember when you're gluing your retaining walls, you want your lines of glue to go with the flow of water. So we don't want to have horizontal lines that's going to stop any water from seeping through the front of the wall if it needs to.
Remember that.
There you go.
Ow! Anthony! This is the most fun I've ever had, I think. I love this. Ah!
You're Michael Scott, I'm Ryan.
That's kind of accurate.
Right?
You're the temp?
Huh?
Oh God, there's gonna be a part where you become my boss?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it.
But then I'm still always underneath you.
That's what she said.
No, I want to be Phyllis. Sweet old lady. Stanley, you're not right. You're Stanley.
I'm definitely, I'm a total Stanley.
You are Stanley a little bit.
100%.
Yeah.
I love crosswords.
Do you love pretzel day?
Yes. You saw I've been coming to work with 2 pretzels almost every day.
We're about to start on our edge restraint. There's a lot of hubbub around the industry. What do you use? What do you use?
Things in those big nails.
Yeah, you use a plastic thing in the big nails? No, we don't. You use concrete, it's gonna crack because it's not reinforced. Well, I got your answer right here. We got little pieces of fiberglass, little fibers.
Fiberglass.
I don't know if it's fiberglass, it's just concrete reinforcement fibers. So let's get a little handful of these, sprinkle them in there. Do another little bag, another little handful there. Throw a little extra in for good measure, because why the heck not? And it's super cheap. I forget how much it was, but I got like 40 of these bags, 40 1-pound bags, and it'll probably last us an entire lifetime. Reinforce your concrete. That's a nice looking edge. Such a nice looking edge. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh. So, you can see, we just plop this in here. We want a nice angle away from the paver so that we can get dirt right up against them. And it's all reinforced with those fibers, so nice and strong. But really make sure you get a nice good chunk of it. That's what's gonna hold it all together. You don't want it like real thin. That's gonna fall apart, flake off, chip away. So that's how you do it. We like to do it extra thick around any corner, but besides that, just toss it in there, trow it out. Just trow it out. Nice and easy.
Three and a quarter square.
Oh, for here?
Yeah.
Thank you. So that right there is how we do our edge restraint. Nice and easy, super strong, lasts forever. And we're making pretty good progress here on this patio. We still have some cuts to do, some fine tuning, and also a walkway over to the driveway. You're gonna have to wait for the next vlog to see all of that. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor.